I've always envisioned creating a product for the purpose of starting more than just a brand. I want to start a movement and connecting consumers to create positive change. And that's where Nature's Time comes in. I came to America when I was 8 years old. I didn't know anything about the American culture, nor did I speak English. Kids at school would constantly poke fun at me because they thought I was a mute. They thought I was a geek, a nerd. And it wasn't the words that hurt me, but the way that they put such negative meaning to those words that really affected me. Bullying continued in my own home when family members would constantly look down upon me and they thought I was never good enough. That's when I felt worthless and started having thoughts of committing suicide. Strength, beauty, and compassion are the 3 core values that represent Nature's Time. And we've been able to incorporate these attributes with the man-made strength of steel, the natural beauty of the wood, and our compassionate commitment of giving back to an anti-bullying charity called Free to Love. And for every watch you purchase, you help out 6 victims of bullying. In order to make our dreams become reality, we need your help. Contribute to our project today and be one of the very first to receive a Nature's Time wood watch while we create positive change. Thank you.